You did chubby, you know?
Yeah, man. You did love your food.
Still love my food. What kind of man was my father?
Your father was a good and respectable man.
Respectable? Really? And him cheap and him wife?
Tony. Apart from what happened, it was just a moment of weakness. Your father was a good man.
How you find yourself in fault with a married man?
Tony, it wasn't a relationship. It was just one moment. It just happened.
I'm confused. So I try to say, I'm the result of a one-night stand?
Tony, no. Alright. Marcel couldn't have any kids. I don't know. It get to him and she too. And one day he just break down and start talking to me. I don't talk to people, you know. I don't start talk to me about the situation and, you know, give me shoulder for lean and I find a little comfort. It just happened.
But you would understand how people that see it as you cheating with a married man.
Yeah, because them don't know the details. But I know.
That's why Marcel was so bitter. Remember the first time I met her, she said I look like somebody who she know.
So she said, you look like somebody she know? So wait, you actually meet her?
Yeah, we did involve in this dancing program which she's in charge of. But it turned out to be a human trafficking.
I understand why she bitter towards you. Because I didn't want to keep you. They sent me out to keep you and she tried to kill me. That's why I made her leave.
So what you did there all these years?
I can't tell you to me. Because the space there is a safe space. So if anything, I have to run, go back there. Because I don't trust her. Although she's in jail, I don't trust her because anything can happen. I have to, you understand me?
And Wally, I go through, you know?
What really happened to you after my mother?
After grandma died, I'm going to one girl's home at the age of 16. I meet this boy, he take me out a girl's home, I'm going to live with him. I go through abuse with him for 5 years.
I'm never dead then, but I'm there now. I'm there to protect you.
I know how to protect myself, but thanks.
I have to physically protect you, girl. But I'm there for you. You understand me? Anything there.
We expect for happen between us now.
I'm not an expectations, Tony. I just want to be here for you.
I believe in a second chances, but I have to take this slow because I want this to deal with.
Okay. I understand. You have a bank account? Yep. Internet banking?
Yeah, why?